Hello guys, it's Fogswell Sports and this is another video. This is North Carolina Triad video. It is October 4th edition. So let's go. So we got a lot to talk about in the tropics again. Tropical depression number I think it's either 15 or 16. I forgot that. 16. It is right here currently, and it could possibly, I said possibly, it could possibly be affecting us. Right now, we're under a 10%, 5 to 10% hurricane winds. It's supposed to take a track. Right now, this is almost a perfect track up to here. And then where it goes to that, it's just a whole bunch of mess. It'll probably go up to here, which is most likely. And then the models take, GFS models, you'll see later what I'm talking about. GFS models will take it all the way over here. Then the European models will take it all more like this, being still pretty dang strong storm. And the GFS will make it a weaker storm when it comes this way the entire time. But the European wants to make it a stronger storm. And I have to say it, I'm starting to lean more towards the European side, and I'll give you my reasons why. Because at the same time, when this storm's coming, this wind shear is gonna be all the way up north. It's like, Kaylee, get off of that, baby, get off. No. Like the wind shear is gonna be all the way around this whole blob. So there's no wind shear in like this area. This is just open game. And this is way above average water temperatures. And it's gonna be warmer than usual when the storm comes up down here in the south. I mean, all the ingredients are here. There's no wind shear, warmer temperatures, plenty of fuel for the storm to work with. So yeah. So let's start looking at the models. We'll start with the GFS models. Let's go to Saturday. Storm's down here. It's a weak storm. That's only like a tropical storm, like maybe a category 1. And it keeps it like that until up to Tennessee, and then it comes to tropical depression. But it don't really affect us anything, if you notice that. No, Callie. It didn't really affect us in any sort of way. It's going to give some rain to us, but not like a big storm to affect us. Like maybe up to 2 inches, which is not that much when you really think about it. So now we are going to look at the European. Oh crap. Okay. Saturday we got a big. This is tropical depression 16. It's going to be a hurricane. It's almost like 100% chance, guarantee of it being a tropical storm or hurricane. It's about to be there in I think tomorrow. See, compare the GFS. If you saw it had it all the way. Look, I can show you. Compare it where the European is right now. This is the GFS track. See, right here. Keep that right there. Right here to right here. There's already a difference. Then it keeps it super strong. That's like category 2 at least. It keeps that intensity. And look at that. Right over us. A category 2 or 3 storm. Giving us, this would mean heavy amounts of rain and stuff. This is the wind anomalies. Along with the temperatures. Just so you can get an idea of how look. There's the temperatures. See, look, there's a trough. That's the shear. It's gonna make this all the shear stay up here. So here's a storm right here. This little area. See the circulation. The storm is very strong. That is 25-30 knots, which is about hurricane force winds. And I'm kind of leaning right now to more towards the European side because like I said earlier with the wind shear, I think that the wind shear is gonna be, you saw it, it's gonna be way too north to affect the storm, and there's so much warmth. But I want to show you the short range models. It don't go up that far yet. It will come out in about 2 days. I think either tomorrow or 2 days. It'll be able to start picking up on where the storm goes. But you'll see the general pattern. The NAM model, which is very good, it's showing a similar track. See, there's a storm. See, watch how the bars are. They're going like this. It goes like that. So you see how it is. That's how the you can tell by how the moisture is. It's all going in the same kind of pattern. So that means that this storm, you see how strong it is likely going to take a similar track. If I compare it to the European model, the NAM and the European are in very good agreement. I'll compare the NAM right at this point to the European, and I'll show you the GFS too to see the location. So here we go. Here I go back to the preset on the European. And don't worry, I'm about to be done with North Carolina. Try with a video. This is gonna be a longer update. Right here. Okay, it's right here. Now we will look at the NAM. It's right here. It means it's right here when it gets close to landfall. That means it'd be taking a track. Maybe like that. Maybe a little bit more west, but still, the NAM and the European are really good agreement. Right here, watch. Right there when it's making landfall, we'll compare to the NAM. Right here, okay. Right here, like literally, same kind of direction. Watch where the European goes. Right here. It's weakening a little bit. It's still a very strong storm. So, it's going to follow a path something like that. Either, it's too early to tell the initial path. It's either going to follow a path like this, the GFS, more likely, or out to sea, or central track. But I'd say out of the three right now, unfortunately, the most likely track this far out would probably have to be this because it's the GFS. I kind of don't agree with the GFS right now because there's this big home, high pressure, and it's going to be making the thing going like this. High pressure up here that forces the jet stream to go something like this, a trough. That basically means the warmth can be down in here. Colder areas up here around us. We're in the warmth zone. So anyway, that's my North Carolina video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.